Hi, today we're going to make a nice breakfast cereal. I've just got some basic ingredients that I'm going to mix together to make my own flavoured cereal. There's one that I quite like, but it's very crunchy and I worry about my teeth sometimes with how hard some of the ingredients are. So this is just a nice mix, similar to a fruit and fibre. So here I've got some Baker's sweetened coconut, which is different from our desiccated coconut. It's American and it's moist, so it's really tasty and has a nice sweetness. Some sultanas, some special flakes, which is a similar product to Special K, but just Morrison's own brand. Some nice almonds, which I've toasted just to give them more flavour and some crunch. And milk. You can use any milk that you like. I just use semi-skimmed. So I'm just popping the cereal into the bowl. As you can see, it's very similar to Special K, but very reasonably priced. Just a supermarket's own brand. Just a few sultanas. You can add as many as you like, but you must remember that sometimes sultanas are, well, they are high in sugar, so it's good not to eat too many, even though they are very healthy for you. Just going to add in some of the toasted almonds. Again, just as many as you like. And now for this sweetened coconut. So I bought this from Amazon and you can get it from different delicatessen stores in the UK. So just sprinkle it on. And that's it. So obviously you can use any different mixes that you like. The main reason, as I say, that I like to try this recipe was because of some of the cereals being very crunchy. I find some of the sultanas, because of the way that the product's stored, they become very hard. So I quite often like to use my own products and just mix them together. So I hope that this is something that you can try. As usual, let me know if you try it, let me know what your favourite cereal is, and thanks again for watching. Goodbye.